Now this seems like a long problem, but it's actually much simpler. It says in the given equation k is a positive constant, so k is some number we don't know yet. The product of the solutions to the equation is 154. So when we solve and multiply all the solutions, we get this. And the question is, what is the value of k? Now, I just want to tell you that this is in the factored form. It's 3/5 times this factor times this factor times this factor is equal to 0. Now, we can multiply both sides by the reciprocal 5/3, and on the right side, if you multiply 0 by anything, the answer does not change, that is still 0. But on the left side, we can get rid of that 3/5. So what happens? So this is equivalent to this equation, 5x plus 11 times x plus this expression, square root of 5k plus 10. Now if k is a number, all of this is just another number, and x minus square root of 5k plus 10 is equal to 0. Now before I begin, I just want to bring some notes, and you might already know this. If x minus a times x plus b equal to 0, then the solutions are x equal to a and x equal to negative b. So what you normally do is you set each factor to 0, x minus a equal to 0, and that's how you get x equal to a. You set this factor x plus b equal to 0, and you get x equal to negative b. So the result is whatever you see inside the parentheses, the solutions will have the opposite sign. So having said that, now what we have are 3 factors. So let's go ahead and get the solutions for each of those factors. So if I set 5x plus 11 equal to 0, then I have to subtract 11 from both sides, and then I get negative 11/5 as one solution. Now notice that if k is a number, all of this is going to be just another number. So if I set that equal to 0, then I simply get x equal to negative square root of 5k plus 10. So that's another solution. And from here, I get x equal to positive square root of 5k plus 10. So that's my third solution. So notice it says that the product of the solutions is 154. So let's go ahead and multiply all these numbers. Negative 11/5 times x minus, sorry, there is no x, it's just negative square root of 5k plus 10 and positive square root of 5k plus 10. So this is equal to 154. Now negative times negative is positive, so I can get rid of those two negatives, and what I have is 11/5. And then notice square root of 5k plus 10 square root of 5k plus 10 is simply 5k plus 10. So this is equal to 154. And further notice that I can pull a factor of 5 here, and I get k plus 2 is equal to 154. You can cancel these common factor of 5 and 5. And so what you have is 11 times k plus 2. So if you have 11 times k plus 2 equal to 154, we can divide both sides by 11. Then 154, 11 goes into 154 14 times, which means I have this simple equation k plus 2 equals 14. Subtracting 2 from both sides, I get k equal to 12. So that's our answer. What is the value of k? K is equal to 12.